Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a ringtone on your iPhone. Okay, so but before that you have to subscribe to my channel. If you have not already subscribed, then you hit the notification bell, okay, so that you can get any video that I upload. So before you can create a ringtone on your iPhone, you first have to get iTunes on your computer. So here I'm going to launch my iTunes. Okay, I'm going to launch my iTunes. Yes, so let's wait. All right, so I've launched my iTunes. Maybe you don't have songs on your library. You have to upload some. If you don't have songs in your library, but I have some, but I'm going to show you how to upload a song too. So here you go to file to upload a song. You go to file, you go to add file to library. Okay, then you click on it, so it will take you. Yes, so you take you to the location where you want to uh, where you have your song. Okay, so here I'm going to select any song. A reggae song will do. Okay, any reggae song. Let's see if I can get Bob Marley. All right, okay, so Bob Marley, Africa Unite. Africa Unite. All right, so this is the song I'm going to upload. Yeah, uh, so here is it. African Unite is our song we've added to our library. So to create the ringtone, now what I have to do is to right click on the song, then you go to song info, then you click on it. When you click on song info, then you come to options, okay, then you click on options. Here you have the chance to set your time, okay, for 30 seconds, a ringtone 30 seconds. So here you can choose okay, let me choose one 30. So to get 30 seconds, you take us to the second minute. All right, yes, so here we've set our time 30 seconds, 1:30 to 2. All right, then you click on OK. All right, so now you go to file. The next step is to go to file. You come to convert. You go to convert. You go to create AAC version. Then you click on it. So our AAC version has been created. That's the 30 seconds, the time that you set. Yes, so this is what we're going to do next. You right click again, then you go to show in Windows Explorer, then you click on it. This is how it's going to come up here. You see, as you can see, it's M4A. On iPhone, ringtones take M4 alpha extension, so you just have to change the extension. So to change the extension, you go to view. So when you go to view, when you see that this place is unticked like this, I know maybe on your computer it might appear like this, so you have to tick them. You have to tick these two. You have to take file name extension and tick hidden items too. So what we have to do is to rename this file, which is going to change the extension from M4A to M4R. So you right click again, then you come to rename. So as you can see A, you delete the A, you just insert R, you click on enter, then yes. So M4R extension has been created on what? The ringtone. So this is what we're going to do. You can minimize this so that we can have to see our iTunes. So now the next thing to do is to connect your iPhone. So I'm going to connect my iPhone. Going to connect my iPhone. So I've connected my iPhone, as you can see. Then you you move there so that you see the iPhone. You come to tones, then you go to your Windows Explorer. Now all you have to do is to drag this ringtone into your tones like this, then you leave it. So we see Africa Unite. Okay, so for you to see this ringtone on your iPhone, you have to sync. Okay, so you select like this. Okay, then you come to sync here, sync. So as it's syncing upward, yeah, so it has finished syncing. So you see it on your iPhone. So now you have to go to your iPhone. Okay, have to go to your iPhone. Go to your iPhone. You go to settings. So when you go to settings like this, I know maybe you might not see. Then you go to sound. Okay, you go to sounds. Then you go to ringtone. So you will see African Unite there. You see African Unite there. Okay, you see African Unite. Okay, you see African Unite there, right? Then you select it. You say African Unite. That is playing. Yes. So guys, this is how to create. This is how to create a ringtone on your iPhone. Okay. Alright. So you comment, you subscribe, and you hit the notification bell. Okay. So this is how to create a ringtone iPhone. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel B2 Empire TV, and then hit the notification bell. And don't forget to comment. Maybe you might need a video you want me to do. You just have to put everything in the comment section. All right. Okay, thank you. See you next time.